Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay. Today it's Mike tries. This is Gardein. This is meatless meatballs, which sounds kind of oxymoronic. This is plant-based. We're gonna cook them up in this simmering marinara sauce. Let's take a look at this. Mike tries a lot of things. Today I'm trying. Hey, you know, I was a vegan and a vegetarian for years. Oh my God, there we go. Let's see what these guys have in here. It's gonna take about, it says right here, you're gonna saute them in the sauce for about 15-20 minutes. You can see the sauce is starting to get in a good spot. Now these are made from, let's see the ingredients in these things. Where is it? Okay, water, vegetable protein, soy, barley malt, extract, canola oil, vital wheat gluten, oh my goodness, soy protein, enriched flour. There's a lot of stuff in there, oh my God. So let's see what the, so 150 calories per serving, 7 grams of fat, a little sodium, 380, carbs 9, fiber 3, protein 14. That's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get this sauteing. We're gonna put these in maybe about 50 minutes. Let's get these down. Mike tries Gardein meatless meatballs. Meatless meatballs. Let's just call them plant-based meatballs. Let's check it out. That was my ice machine. All right, those are sauteing. This is what they look like. This is the frozen one. They put them in frozen, pop them in like that. I'm just gonna pop them all in. Check it out. So you got like, I think you got about a dozen of them in there. Check them out. So we're gonna put them in this nice simmering marinara sauce. Oh, I'm gonna cover each one. And they suggest 15-20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, with the magic of YouTube, next time you see me, these babies will be done. I'll see you in about 15-20 minutes. Adios. All right, there it is. There's the 16 minutes. Straighten that out a little. There's the meatless meatball, Gardein, plant-based. Guess what, I'm gonna put this over some pasta. All right, there's the pasta. I'm gonna put a few of these meatballs on here. Let me a little marinara. And test these meatballs. These are the Gardein plant-based meatballs. How does that look? Put a little grated cheese in there. There's your close-up. Can't wait for a bite. All right, there it is. Look at that, that's gorgeous. These are plant-based, mostly soy. 110 degrees outside, so I'm a little sweaty. I think you can understand it. I'm gonna have this with pasta, but the meatball has to speak for itself. That sucker's hot. Let's taste the meat. Let's taste the meatball. Normally you'd be tasting veal or beef, but this is soy and seasonings. I gotta tell you, it tastes fantastic. Ooh, a little pasta. Look at this mess. It's spaghetti and meatballs, but it's vegetarian. And that's healthier for you. Oh my God, let's try one. Oh. Except for the heat part. I gotta tell you, that's good. Worth trying. Gardein, where is it? There it is. Gardein, plant-based meatless meatballs. You gotta try them. 3 meatballs, 150 calories. I just ate one and it's delicious. So Mike tries something new. Try it, guys, try it. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's going to be your, that's your thumbnail Mike tries, so that we can, there's a little pasta on there. I think it looks stunning. What is that? I thought thought it was hot outside. Look. Oh my God. Oh, did I say it? That's a sweet bamboo, but it's a sweet. Can you see the heat on this thing? I mean, look at that. That's awesome. I'm telling the truth this time. Usually I just make shit up. Wow.